Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your profile name on Talabat account. So first we're going to go to the Talabat app. Then once you're here, we're going to click on the account section on the lower right corner. Then here we're going to click on settings on the top right corner. So once you're here, we're going to click on account info. Then click on the edit button. So once it presents like this, you're going to write your name. You can change it however you want it. So once you're done, going to click on the save button. So as you can see, you changed our profile name. So this is how you basically do it. It's an easy process. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I will see you again. Goodbye.